I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 2022 Doodle Challenge for August. This is the last Doodle Challenge and they have all been so much fun and it has been so neat seeing what everyone comes up with. This challenge is hosted by Julie of Art and Junk Journals with Julie and Leigh of Leigh's Art Studio. I'll have their channels listed in my description box down below and I highly recommend you go and check them out. They are very talented ladies. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 Doodle Challenge AUG and see what everyone else has come up with for these prompts. And the prompts for this month is hearts, a bird or an animal, and highlight in gold. And I'm using a jelly print and I actually already have some gold highlighted, but I'm sure I'll probably do some more. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm finished. This was definitely just one for fun because I had no idea what I was going to do. So I just played and just went wherever the wind took me. So I hope you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed this challenge. I hate to see it end. It has been a lot of fun. And I want to thank Julie and Leigh for hosting this, and I hope they'll bring it back sometime. Be sure and check out their collage challenge as well. It's usually the first Wednesday of every month, and it will be continuing. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. That really helps our channels to grow when you leave a comment, and it doesn't cost you anything. So until next time, bye y'all.